I'm going to talk about essential oils and their chemistry, and we're going to make sunscreen. So, here we go. Essential oils are volatile and come from various plant parts. They're obtained through distillation, hyperdistillation, or cold-pressed extraction. Each essential oil has hundreds of bioconstituents. Lavender oil, for example, contains 200 such components, including linaloyl acetate, linalool, cis-beta-ocimene, trans-beta-ocimene, and terpeninephenol. Essential oils can penetrate cell membranes and travel throughout our blood and tissues. Their lipid-soluble structure and small molecules allow them easy access into the cells of our body. The aromatic components of their oils, such as terpenes, monoterpenes, phenols, and aldehydes, are made of long strands of carbon and hydrogen atoms in usually a ring-like structure. The carbon chains form the skeleton of these chains, with oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, sulfur, and other carbon atoms decorating the chains at various points. Essential oils have been used for thousands of years for healing and cleansing the body and continue to be used today for a variety of purposes. Today, we will be making natural sunscreen using what will be known as carrier oils, or oils that are used as the base of the product, such as coconut, grapeseed, carrot, and red raspberry seed oils. We will also use beeswax, which acts to repel water, and shea butter, giving our sunscreen a creamy consistency. Once the base oils are mixed, zinc oxide is added. This white powder is insoluble in water and is photostable, protecting from harmful UVA and UVB rays, making this an ideal component of sunscreen. At last, the essential oils are added. Clove oil contains phenylpropanoids such as carvacrol, thymol, eugenol, and cinnamaldehyde. It is antifungal, microbial, and viral, and also anti-aging. Lavender oil, whose chemistry was mentioned, can be used for a variety of purposes. We will include it today in the sunscreen for its ability to regenerate burned skin. The third and last essential oil we will use is sandalwood. Its anti-cancer effects have been studied by the National Institutes of Health and have been written about scientifically for the National Library of Medicine. And now, without further ado, let's make sunscreen. Okay, Molly, so what are you doing now?
I'm whisking the zinc oxide into the coconut oil, grapeseed oil, shea butter, and what else mixture? Beeswax mixture.
Nice. And what is the...
It's nice and smooth.
Okay, cool. And what is the zinc oxide for?
To help boost the sunscreen potential SPF factor of the homemade sunscreen.
Nice. And what is the coconut oil for?
It's a good carrier oil to help and a good moisturizer just to help absorb into the skin.
Cool. And what is the shea butter for?
Shea butter is to help moisturize and to help the consistency of the lotion.
Nice. And then the grapeseed oil?
Grapeseed oil is also a good carrier oil. Helps to bring the essential oils and all the other oils in together.
Nice. So you melted that, right?
Yes, in a double boiler. I just took this glass measuring cup and put it in another pot of boiling water until the shea butter, beeswax, coconut oil were all melted together, and then I added the grapeseed oil in. It's a liquid, so it doesn't have to melt.
Cool. And now we're whisking zinc oxide.
Yes.
And after it cools, then we'll be ready to put in the essential oils.
Yes.
Thanks, Mom.
welcome.
Okay, Molly, what are we going to do now?
Now we are going to put a teaspoon of both red raspberry seed oil and a teaspoon of carrot seed oil into our mixture.
And what was, remind us of the mixture again?
It is shea butter, coconut oil, grapeseed oil, yes.
Zinc oxide.
Essential oils, and then these 2 carrier oils.
And now it's room temperature, so it's like sunscreen.
Oh, and beeswax.
Oh, and beeswax, yeah. So now it's like sunscreen. So now we're going to mix in...
Hang on, time out. Stop.
Red raspberry.
Pretty much everything except for the smaller oils and the essential oils.
Cool. So now it's room temperature, so it's the right consistency. So what are you going to add first?
First, I'm going to add a teaspoon of red raspberry seed oil. After, I will be adding a teaspoon of carrot seed oil. And
okay, so let's start with those.
Okay.
And so the raspberry oil, you're going to add a teaspoon of it. So what kind of, why is it good to add to sunscreen?
It is a carrier oil, a good carrier oil for the essential oils. It also has a natural SPF. And I believe that the red raspberry seed oil has an SPF of 28 to 50 SPF.
Nice.
And the carrot seed oil has also a natural SPF of 38 to 40 SPF.
Nice. So do we know what the general SPF of our sunscreen is going to be?
No. However, the zinc oxide also boosts the SPF factor as well.
I think you said that the zinc oxide helped with all the different spectrums of light as well.
Yes. Also, I would say it would probably, the SPF would probably be maybe around 40.
Okay.
40. I would say without the zinc oxide, it would probably be 30, 35.
Okay.
I think with the zinc oxide, it may up it to about 40, 45.
Okay, so now we're adding the carrot seed oil, the other SPF oil, a tablespoon each of the carrot seed. Teaspoon each of the carrot seed oil and the raspberry seed oil. So we've got these oils in there.
And I'm now going to add, for this size, for this amount of product, I probably will use anywhere between 10 to 15 drops each of each oil.
Okay.
Essential oil, excuse me. This is sandalwood first.
Okay, sandalwood. That's great. So I remember you telling me about sandalwood earlier, and you said that it had certain properties that are really good for using in sunscreen.
Yes.
Okay, so sandalwood, you said it was antibacterial, antiviral, it was an immune stimulant, and it's good for skin revitalization, and it inhibits cancerous cell growth.
Yes.
So that seems very good for sunscreen.
Yes. Sorry, it likes to sometimes be a little slow. I'm so sorry.
We're having problems getting drops out.
We'll come back to the sandalwood.
Okay, we'll come back to the sandalwood.
We're going to move on to the lavender.
Okay, so you said that lavender was also really good for sunscreen. And
it's very good.
can you tell me a bit why?
Skin.
Good for skin. Okay. And I think I remember you saying it regenerates burned skin too, doesn't it?
And I'm going to start off with 10 drops.
Sorry, I asked you that while you were counting. I apologize. 10 drops each of the lavender, sandalwood, and clove. And this is the clove, and the clove is good for what?
I don't know. The book is over
there. Well, I remember you saying it smells good.
Yes,
and
it's good for skin. It's good. It has antibacterial, antimicrobial, antifungal properties. It is also good for the skin.
Andy said it was anti-aging.
And it's anti-aging. And I believe it's also anti-tumoral.
Cool. So basically all of these three are really good for sunscreen. What kind of essential oils are not good for sunscreen? Oh, sorry.
6. Sorry. 7. 8.
Molly was saying that there were some photosensitive oils that are not good.
There are some, let's see, that are very sensitive to light and to sun and can make you burn very easy, excuse me. So that would kind of be a little,
that would be bad for sunscreen.
Exactly.
You don't want to be in the sun with those kind of oils.
Exactly.
On your skin.
And it's mainly citrus, like bergamot, orange, grapefruit, tangerine, lemon. Lemongrass is not photosensitive, but lemon essential oil is.
So citrusy things tend to be.
Yes.
All right. Cool. If we can get this sandalwood to work.
There.
But for video purposes, we should probably stop at 10.
Okay. This is how much oils, carrier oils, and essential oils are in there.
All right. So we've got quite a bit of oil. So now we're mixing it up. And so, Molly, what are you going to do with this sunscreen?
I'm going to use it on vacation.
Oh, she's about to go on Chapel family vacation. And they're going to Gulf Shores, so she's going to send me pictures.
I'm a natural redhead, so that means I'm naturally fair-skinned. I have a very rosy
white skin.
I have a very rosy complexion on my face,
rosy
but I have
complexion.
I'm very fair-skinned, so this is going to be interesting. It's going to be a very interesting experiment to see how well my product making is.
Yes. I'm excited to see the pictures.
Because my body wash and my face lotion and eczema lotion and acne lotion, they work. So I'm interested to see other like sunscreen, and my next is going to be deodorants.
Cool.
So
that's exciting.
Now a very kind of sunscreeny consistency.
Oh, that's cool. That does look like sunscreen.
Yes. And it smells like coconut oil. I probably could put...
But sunscreen's supposed to, right? I want to smell it.
Right. It probably could... I think I'm going to add maybe 5 more of each, because it doesn't really have a... It still has a shea buttery smell.
Yeah.
And
it's
coconut.
not too bad, though.
So I think that I did 10. I put 10, so that's 30. So I'll put 45 drops in here.
Okay.
Actually, what I'll do is I'll just put 40. Put 5 more of lavender and 5 more of clove, because the sandalwood is too hard.
Or you could just dump a bunch of sandalwood in it and not do any of the others.
I'll just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. clove and lavender. Smell very...
Yeah, clove and lavender are nice smells.
Have a very distinctive smell. Very strong smell as well.
Yeah, it's going to be nice smelling.
So in all, I put 15 drops of lavender, 15 drops of clove, and 10 drops of sandalwood.
Nice.
I might try and put 5 more drops of sandalwood to make it an even 15, 15, and 15. But depending on how long it takes me to get the sandalwood oils to come out.
Does it smell good now?
Yeah, it's starting to smell. It just,
nice.
It doesn't really have that much of a smell. The coconut oil and the shea butter kind of overpower a bit. It absorbs a lot of the smell.
Right. Well, thank you, Molly, for making sunscreen, and this looks
You're
great.
Welcome.
I'm excited to see you use it.
Yes. It says that the zinc oxide will leave a whitish hue.
Mm-hmm.
So, but I guess that is good, so that you know
where it is and where it's not.
Where exactly it is. I mean, it's probably the zinc oxide is not going to become clear, but at least you'll know that it's on.
Yeah, and that's the most important thing.
Purpose. So.
Yes, we should protect our skin against skin cancer.
Exactly.
All right, well, I have enjoyed this, making sunscreen with you, and I know you're going to add some more essential oils to it.
Yeah, I'm going to try some more sandalwood.
Yeah. But I'm going to turn this off for now. So, thanks, Mal.
Thanks.